In this video, I'll show you how to disable Google Authenticator in Binance. So the step are so simple to follow. So after you open the Binance app like this now, go to your profile at the top right side, left side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on your profile again. So after you tap on the profile again, now scroll to down and go to security. So under the security, now allow it to finish loading. After you open the security like this now scroll to down and tap on this Authenticator app. After I tap on the Authenticator app, now here is my Authenticator is linked to my Google, to my Binance. So now tap on this delete button. After I tap on this delete button, now tap on this. After I check on this, now tap on this continue button. So by tapping on this continue button, now it will send me a code through the Google Authenticator. I'll go ahead now and copy the code. So after you open up your Google Authenticator, now here is the code. Now I'll copy the code. Long press your hand. After you copy the code, now go back to the Binance app. After you open the Binance app like this now go ahead and paste the code. So after pasting the code, now if you tap on this now back, now if I refresh now, as you can see now the Google Authenticator has been removed from my Binance. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.